Okay, hoy me fui a hacer el pelo con Color Wow and they put on this product called Dream Coat, which is this product right here. It's called Dream Coat. Para que lo vean un poquito mejor. It's supposed to be leave your hair silky, like less frizzy, and we live in Miami, so the humidity is insane. Básicamente, they did my hair 2 hours ago, and this is how it is 2 hours later. It's 2 p.m. I think it's still really freaking good for Miami because if you guys live here, the humidity is real. I'm gonna drive back now. Después, we're just gonna go throughout the day to see how we end and how my hair ends up being and see if Dream Coat is really a dream coat. Be back in like 2 hours. Okay, I made a pit stop at Ulta because I had to. And this is how my hair is still looking. It also rained here today, so todavía está ahí, ¿eh? Me hice el pelo a las 12, terminé y son casi las 4 de la tarde. This is a 6-hour update. We didn't make it to the pool. Well, because Miami traffic, as you can see. Pero nada pasa, porque we're gonna go salsa dancing. And we're gonna put this to the test, porque esto no se va a quedar así. Y yo no voy a no salir. So we're gonna do a 12-hour update after salsa. Let me get dressed and get cute, and I'll show you guys before we leave. Okay, this is the salsa look. We are going salsing tonight. This is how we're going on 9 hours since I did my hair, eh? Yes, you can see a little bit of frizz, pero yo creo que es normal because we live in freaking Miami humid weather, and my hair is really curly and not like this at all. So I'm actually really pleasantly surprised. Pero bueno, let's go dance so I can give you the final verdict after hours and sweating and humidity y a ver qué pasa con el pelo. Okay, this is officially after 12 hours. Salsa dancing, sweating, rain. I'm literally coming back. It is 1 in the morning. Oficialmente hemos pasado ya 12 horas. Este es usualmente mi pelo, eh. Nunca se queda así. Color Wow really did that. Básicamente, we put it to the test. Dream Coat literalmente is a dream. For Miami humidity, it won my heart. That is all. Okay, ciao.